In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return a Microsoft Store order. Whether you've changed your mind or the item didn't meet your expectations, returning a product doesn't have to be a hassle. So, let's walk through the process together to make it as smooth as possible. First, we're going to start by heading to the Microsoft Store online. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Store homepage where you can browse and download apps, games, and more for your Windows PC. It's a familiar place for anyone who's ever downloaded software or shopped for digital content on their Windows device. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your login credentials. This is important because you'll need to access your personal account information to process any returns. After successfully signing in, return to the Microsoft Store home. This step might seem repetitive, but it's crucial for ensuring that your account details are correctly loaded. Sometimes just signing in doesn't automatically redirect you back to the home page, so make sure you navigate there manually if needed. Having navigated back to the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner again, where you'll see your account profile. Click on your profile to access a drop-down menu that provides various options associated with your account. This menu is your gateway to managing orders, settings, and more. Once you're in your profile, look for the order history section. This is where all past and current transactions within the Microsoft Store are documented. Click on Order History to proceed. In the Order History section, you'll see a list of your recent orders. Carefully browse through this list to find the order you wish to return. After locating the correct order, you should see an option to request a return. Click on that and Microsoft will guide you through the steps needed to complete the return process. Follow the instructions provided, which may include selecting a reason for the return and verifying the items. Each click brings you closer to ensuring your return is handled properly. By now, you should have a solid grasp of how to navigate your account and initiate a return through the Microsoft Store. It's about clicking through the right steps, ensuring your details are accurately entered, and selecting the correct options. With these steps completed, your return request is submitted, and you can follow any further instructions provided by Microsoft. That's it. Returning a Microsoft Store order is straightforward once you know where to go and what to click. Remember, keeping your order information and account details handy will always streamline the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.